channel. We will stabilize an old sequence today again. It's from 2009, November the 4th. It is only 41 pictures. Let's see how it looks. So, not too shaky, but of course in this small view it's looks of course almost really good. It was 11:16 the first picture, 11:16 p.m. and 11:24. That means 8 minutes, only little 8 minutes. Okay, so we now open up After Effects and we will drag and drop the footage into After Effects directly. So import, then with the left mouse drag and drop inside here. Let's see it again, how it looks. So now you see the bumps, you see the shakiness, of course. And the first thing, of course, I will try is to just go to the warp stabilizer, but instead of going here, you can just hit, if it was the last effect you used, you can hit Ctrl, Alt, Shift and E, and then the warp stabilizer will start. Now go directly to detailed analysis and say here only stabilization, and here most of the times this works for me the best, and here just 1%. And if you're done with that, you go just down here, just press the little triangle and then go to transformation and activate 1, 2 and 3. This is position, scaling and rotation. And now you go to view and view the lines, and then you go here and drag them and drop them here, and now just go with the arrows. For example, press and hold Ctrl while you go with the arrows right and left. The moment I change something here, the moment I press something, a new keyframe appears. And if you want to go like this is too much to the left, you wanted to have it right directly, just hit the shift button, press and hold the shift button and then go with the arrow. Then it's a bigger step instead of just hitting the arrows alone. With the shift button it's faster. So, and in order to see what I did with the complete sequence, for example here, if it's like a little bit too much, the angle does not fit, you go here to rotation and just change it a little bit like this, right? And to see what I did completely, I open up the project here and now see I just added some keyframes for position. Every one of the 41 pictures I added a position keyframe. That means you go here, say view, lines, display lines, you drag them from the left and here from the upper, and then you have these lines and you just hit the stopwatches here, like for rotation, scaling and position. If I now hit them, everything is lost. So at the beginning, for example, here we have still not the scaling and not the rotation. So I just go to rotation. All the keyframes should not be blue, just here, and then just add a value. And now did you see a new keyframe appeared? And that's how it works. You just start at the first picture and go all the way through your hyperlapse, and if you see any bumps, then just take control with the CTRL and the arrow buttons, the left and the right one, and then you just go backwards, forwards, and you scan the whole sequence if there are any bumps. That's all. And if I see any bump, or like here, I am not sure. I think it goes a little bit too much to the... Here it's a little bit too much down, so I just hit the upper arrow, but I have to select the layer. Now it's better, but this one is a little bit too much to the right. This is too much down. You have to see it in a flow, otherwise you will be you will get confused and you don't know what is it now. Too much to the left or too much to the right? Was it the last picture or the very last or the previous last? And especially if it's such a blurry footage, it's made with the Coolpix. So I hope you understand what I mean, and the next sequences in the next days, of course. So let's have a look. Cool. So, bye bye.